People, another Canadian national is no longer among the land of the living. And this time, it is a 52-year-old female who lost her life by the hands of her so-called Jamaican boyfriend. Alright, my people. Me I go say this. Over and over I do stories. And I tell people that sometime coming from foreign and boy you go pick up a Jamaican man. You don't know who you go pick up, ladies. You no do no due diligence. You don't know if I want wanted man, if I want criminal, if I whoever, if I want serial, whatever, you know I pick up, you don't know. Because some of you just fall for the man who give you the sweetest talk. Bearing in mind, most of the man them have sweet talk for you. No matter who them is. Whether they are good or whether they are bad. And like in this 52-year-old woman case right now, she lost her life by one can to her head. And people, make we go into the story before we exaggerate upon this a little bit more. The Hanover police have launched an investigation into the shooting DEATH of a female Canadian national at her rented apartment in Lucia, Hanover on Wednesday. This all happened on Wednesday, people. Last Wednesday. And it's going on to almost a week ago. But the boyfriend who is on the run is now being caught. According to them, he turned himself in. So, make we jump in. She has been identified as 52-year-old April Celia Labine, right? And North York in Ontario, Canada. Whoever know that place, I'll say it again. North York in Ontario, Canada. That's where this April Sheila Labine is from. Reports indicate that Labine, who arrived in Jamaica late last year, was staying at a rented apartment in Elgin Town, Lucia, with a Jamaican boyfriend. Alright. Put a whole pin right there. So, she arrived in the island last year, which means she's there Jamaica for a while now. Maybe her money are run low. Maybe the boyfriend get tired of her. And this is the other thing again, ladies, we come from foreign. Relationship, oh no have it in a foreign is the different from when they are Jamaica. When you know they are foreign and a man can't put their hand on uno, a man can't put their hand on uno at Jamaica. You hear me I say? That is like the norm in Jamaica for a man put them hand on a woman. You get me? A lot of man we go foreign and end up back at Jamaica because them put them hand on a woman. When you're there at Jamaica and you come from one of these countries, a man every day, every night, if you're not careful, you come like a beaten stick. So relationships are different. I don't know if you know who to put on yourself with. Alright, make we move on. It's reported that on Tuesday night, she was overheard arguing with her boyfriend, followed by one loud explosion from the apartment. So neighbors hear all of this happening. And then everything silence. The arguing stop. Because the arguing seems like it escalate. It was a heated argument. And then all of a sudden, one loud explosion. And then there was no argument again. A report was filed with the police on Wednesday morning. And following a search of the apartment, Labine was found lying inside a pool of red with one gunshot wound to her head. The boyfriend has not been seen or heard from since. But this is where now the boyfriend, because I had further report, I was waiting on this story. This is where them said the boyfriend run with gone all the way at town. So then catch the boyfriend must turn in himself at town because he realize say everybody knows say him. You get me? Let me tell you something, man. It no matter how me drop stories and them something there. Some little strange things will happen between man and woman. Foreign woman, foreign man, ray. Whatever this may be. But ladies, you cannot be too desperate to go pick up anybody. Because you go pick up some old nigga sometime. You go pick up some old nigga sometime when no sensible woman in Jamaica now pick them up. But uno, because you coming from foreign, and you feel like say uno reach a certain age and life are done for uno, and uno want a man because uno want get all alone, uno go pick up anybody sometime, and uno worst nightmare uno go pick up. Some of them man are the devil. You hear me I say? Some of them your man have no good intention. Some of them your man only after money. Only after car. Only after certain thing to get a green card or a PR or a biometric. Anything we can make them go foreign. Them not really check and them not really care. So when you see this happen now, not more than the man this a woman in an argument for whatever the case may be. And the woman start talk to him certain type of way. And by the way, where the firearm come from? If this man is no gunman. So that's what me show you. You no jump and go pick up some man sometime and you don't even know what kind of man them. Because you not do no due diligence. Any little sweet talk. It come like say as long as this woman find a man and the man whistle the tailpipe and put on the tailpipe on them good, everything smooth. Then if you even get to them to do them due diligence. Then if you even get to them to try check out who this person is. Or really see if this. No. Tailpiper was so sweet. So that solve all problem. Jano. Me feeling my condolence to this lady family back in Canada. In North York, Ontario, Canada. My condolence to the family. Because I know this is the last news we know I expect. But sometime, if you reach out to and try if you know them boyfriend, whoever them say them have. Run investigation upon them, man. Go check them profile, go check everything. Reach out, do everything what you need to do. Because sometimes some of them man are wanted. Some of them man are criminal element. Some of them man they buy them own because of what them do to them previous girlfriend in a Jamaica or something like that. Some of them man have probably even been to prison before. You don't know. But because you eager to find somebody. And as me say, the tailpipe was so sweet. How you can get the tailpipe as your own disposal. Well, you couldn't get from Canada or America or England. But now they are Jamaica and find one little man. And he can whistle the tailpipe day in, day out, right round the clock. And that pleasing to you, happy. Not more not important to Uno. Who is this person? Uno don't care. Has this person committed the offense before? Uno don't care. What happened to this person and in previous girlfriend? Uno don't care. Because guess what? Uno just wants somebody. And at 52 years old. This a woman that they are Jamaica for a good minute because she did it from last year. So she has spent a little time. And remember, it's a hell of a thing when a man get used to a woman. Remember sometime, you know. A man with a foreign woman, you know, he not really like the woman. He not feel nothing for the woman. But what is 2 weeks? A man can hold out for you 2 weeks or 3 weeks till that the woman gone again. But when you see that woman start take longer holidays in the country, because remember, when a woman come from a foreign country and go visit her man in Jamaica, once a month run off, everything normalize. The woman start run out of money. The woman stop give the man certain amount of money. Certain things stop going certain kind of way. It get normal just like you have a Jamaica girlfriend. And what you think happen? When it get normalized, you are treated as such. You can't talk too loud. You can't do nothing else a problem. And in this woman case, see it? It was an argument to a loud explosion. Until then, you hear no more argument. Until neighbors file the report with the police. And next thing you know, when them go check the apartment, this 52-year-old Canadian national was lying in a pool of red with one gunshot wound to our head. Me people, make me tell you this. Know what you're doing. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Remember good no man? You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. Because of 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe no man?